Horses out, breaking for the lead is Larmagnac, moving up, rolling on the outside second, moving up out wide now is She's Commandant, Queen Cuba, Tameret Kata, then followed by Magic Mings, Bibora, La Sombra, then comes Tatara, Lucky Find, Don Eduardo's Benza, King Manjo, and Giants Loom is the early trailer. Into the turn they gallop, Larmagnac is down on the inside, in the middle Prolic, alongside third Queen Cuba, a length and a half back and forth, Tameretka, then followed by Magic Mings. Bibora is down on the inside, and followed by La Sombra. She's Commandant, Don Eduardo's Best, Lucky Find, moving up King Manjo, and on the outside, Tatara and Giant Sloom still racing in Lanza. Inside the tres, Octavo, Prolic now takes the lead by Oralenka. Queen Cuba, Magic Mings down on the inside, together is Bibora, down on the inside, Tameret Kata, Larmagnac moving up, Lucky Find, and it's still Prolic by about 2 lengths. Magic Mings still in second, down on the inside is Tameret Kata, they come down at the last 200, and it's still Prolic, and on the outside, Magic Mings, Tameret Kata is down on the inside, but it's still Prolic, followed by Magic Mings on the outside, Prolic, Magic Mings, entering the finish line, Prolic, Magic Mings, and finally, Prolic, Magic Mings, then comes Lucky Find, King Manjo, close, Tatara, Don Eduardo's Best, Giants.